This is the world's first DIY DJ controller. You don't need special tools to build it. You don't need a lot of money either. It's open source. This is just the first version and it will only get better. So how does it actually work? All the buttons, potentiometers and encoders are connected to an Arduino Pro Micro. Arduino sends MIDI messages over USB, just like any regular DJ controller. And because it uses standard MIDI communication, there's no need for drivers or extra software. Just plug it in and it's ready to go. Let's take a look at the controls. Controller has two decks and a mixer. Each deck comes with a jog wheel that controls pitch bend. It's not touch or pressure sensitive, so you cannot use it for scratching, at least for now. There's a play or pause button, a cue button, and two performance pads that can be easily mapped to do whatever you want. And of course, a tempo fader for adjusting BPM. Mixer has a crossfader, a low EQ knob, and an FX knob, which can be also mapped as another EQ or volume control. How can you build one yourself? This isn't a full tutorial, just a quick overview. You'll find a link to step-by-step tutorial in description. All the files are available on GitHub, including 3D models, parts list, firmware and the mix mapping. First you'll need to 3D print the parts. You'll use about 150 grams of filament, and the print time takes around 12 hours to complete. Once that's done, solder everything together. Screw on the front panel and put the caps on electronic components. Upload the firmware, install mapping files, and that's it. Sounds simple? Well, it's not hard, but it takes time and patience. Let's see it now in action. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. You can also join the Discord server, and if you want to support the project, there is a Ko-fi link in description too.